be at this point. And the one of the tests is using your Rails console, create a user and find out if a role is assigned automatically. Kind of like created at and all that is assigned automatically. So I successfully used the Rails console. It was a miracle. And the role is nil. And is that correct? That it shouldn't be assigning a role, the default?
But the assignment, so this is Blockopedia, right?
Blockopedia and its user roles, yeah.
So if it says, are they given a default role, it's probably just assuming that.
I'll open up the thing so you can see what I'm talking about.
Yeah. Well, I can see it here. So it's asking if there's a default role given. So I think it's assuming that you are giving them a default role, which is not nil.
No, I want to give them the default role of member.
Okay.
Like not an admin or a moderator, right?
Right. Yeah, that sounds good.
Okay. So since this didn't happen automatically, and it should be happening automatically, then the console is not helpful right this second. It's in my code, right?
Yeah, yeah. So so basically, there's two places where you can do this.
Okay.
So you can do it on the database level, or you can do it on like the model level.
Let's do model level. Model level.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
I mean, I like to keep things the same. Otherwise, I get too complicated. I mean, I get too confused. Okay, so this is familiar before create. And then you say, but I'm going to see what I would do right now is I'd look at my, because I don't have Block It on this computer.
No worries. So you just write a function just like before create, make member or something like that, right?
And then don't I have to define that? Yeah, okay.
Right, and then you can say, or just role, right? Role equals, let's see. Yeah, so you can just say like role equals right?
Right.
Unless role, right? So
Unless role is otherwise assigned as, okay. But then where do we get there? Because I remember with Block It, the way that I got admins and moderators, it was by seeding data. And so in my seed file.
Well, the thing is that seeding doesn't guarantee that every like member or user afterwards becomes a member as well.
Oh.
So if you seed,
I mean, you still need to do this, right? But then right now, what if I want to create an admin, like, an all knowing, all deleting.
Right, and that's why this is like an unobtrusive method, right? So if it's already defined, then don't do anything. If it's not, then assign member.
Okay.
So this is like an unobtrusive method here.
Okay.
So I guess we can. So I guess it's time to test it out.
Yeah.
Is your server running? Not the moment. Not the moment.
No.
Okay, cool. So we'll just run that. Open up a new tab.
Wait, hang on a second.
Oh, you know what? It's already running, I think.
No, because this is. Oh, I see. I see what happened. Well, now what happens? I just cancel the one.
I already did.
Okay.
I did super quickly.
Okay.
Lightning speed.
You don't need to sign up. I'll sign up.
I'll sign up. It's not a big deal. That way. Yeah. So, cool devises job. but more so, you just want to check user on last, right?
And that's, but now it says roll nil. So
I guess it didn't work.
wait, did we save it? Yeah, we did. Okay. Because isn't that always it? Not saving.
Well, I'm just going to check to see if this method gets hit. All right, so I'm going to sign up as another user. Okay, so it's hitting it.
Okay.
That's good to know. See, this is self.
Right. And so this is showing what you just signed up with, and you're still no.
Mm-hmm.
So you're assigning it that. But it won't save in the database unless you save it with the bang, right?
Well, I think you can just like throw it in there, and then it'll just become part of it.
So are you saying?
Well, supposedly it would, but I guess maybe it didn't. And maybe instead, what we'll do is we'll throw the raise after roll to see what actually happens. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And now we can just see what roll is. We can see what self is. The roll is no. Maybe what we need to do is self.roll.
That the word roll looks weirder and weirder the longer you look at it.
Yeah, it's a common. Yeah.
Well, so this time, yeah.
Now it's working, so that's good.
Okay, so that means anyone who signs up will be assigned member.
Yeah, unless otherwise specified.
Unless otherwise specified. But how do I specify? Like, I want to make myself an admin, for example. Like, how do I do that? I have to manually go into the console and do it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I didn't know if it was more complicated than that.
No.
So
you can do it in Seeds, or you can do that in console.
Oh, okay. Well, then that I'm actually writing a note about that. So that's way simpler. So I can just assign myself an admin role, and and it doesn't need to be.
Yeah, you know what we can do is to make sure that's all working well. Is you don't have Seeds? Yeah. Okay.
No, okay. I haven't. I haven't seen anything.
Okay. Yeah. So,
but I think that I can do it, because I can find myself with user all, and then sign role. Because I mean, devise uses specific. I have a seed file somewhere else. I mean, they have specific words. I don't just make up like admin. I mean, there's they use a specific word. These. Oh, okay, got it. Alrighty.
Yeah, and now you had another problem about deletion of wikis. So basically, you want.
Yeah, but maybe it might work now because this is fixed. So let me try and sign in.
Okay.
And delete the wiki that I did not create. I generated like a weird password last time, so let's see what happens. Okay, it worked. Okay, so no. Oh, I know what I want to do. I want to sign in under sign up. Wait, actually, I have to look at the console because it was like. It was this one I used right here. Hmm.
Well, we can sign in with mine. It's not a big deal. And then we can create a wiki real quick. And
Okay.
yeah. Well, I guess I have to confirm the email, don't
Did you get the email confirmation?
I? Maybe. I can check.
Yeah, because you can create a wiki and then I can try and delete it. Or actually, you don't even need to. Just try and delete one of the wikis I've already created. I have to make a note about this user role business.
All right, so I'm signed in.
Okay. And then will you write, because it's not showing username, will you just, oh, whoa. Okay, well, I'll know that you did that one. Okay, so now go to, and click on one of these other ones and see if you can edit or delete it. So you can delete it.
Yeah. And you don't want that?
Well, no, because you're just a member.
Fair enough. All right, so we can take a look at that. So your update policy is if the user is present and the record user is equal to user, or
Yeah.
the user admin. So what we can do is just we can raise to see if that's being called.
Okay.
Okay, so I mean it's hitting here. I guess so if we go to wiki controller, then you might want to authorize, right, before you destroy, maybe. That might be the way to go.
Oh. Now, I've seen this authorize
Yeah.
in different locations. Does it matter?
Yeah, so it says now allowed to destroy, which is perfect.
Okay, good. That's good. So let me just go back here for a second.
Mm-hmm.
So you, that was in the wiki controller, I think. So is this really important where it goes in the method?
It seems like it doesn't. I mean, you should kind of just put it before the action, right? It's like before
the action, but like other than that, like it doesn't matter. Because someone was like, well, why don't you put it before the find thing? And I did it, but it didn't do anything, so I just reverted back.
I mean, you don't have access to the wiki variable. The wiki variable is initialized on line 48. So you should do after that, but then before the action.
Okay.
You can put anywhere between lines 40 and 50, which is 49. But, you know, hypothetically, if you had other lines, you can put them anywhere.
Right. Okay. Well, that is helpful because I was actually really wondering about that.
Yeah.
And so I just want to go back to where we put this. Okay.
Did you commit right before this this call, or like this you posted this question?
Yes, I did.
You're really good about this. So yeah, these are like the
well, because I wasn't, and then like I learned my lesson. So, you know.
Great. It's great.
Like it went so wrong that I was like, shit, I need to do this all the time. If you're recording me, I need to stop swearing. I'm sorry.
Oh, no, it's not a big deal. Yes. Sorry, you want to review something?
No. So I just want to see that. So this is in the user model, and this is what is automatically assigning in the database the member role, unless I've designated otherwise.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense. Sorry, I like have to talk repeat.
No, honestly, this is it went by really quickly, so I can totally understand why you'd want to do this. You want to like imprint it in your mind.
Right, and so we added this too, didn't we? I guess we can look.
Yeah, so we can look here.
Okay.
Exactly what we added, which is awesome.
Oh, I like this page. I'm going to keep this up.
Yeah.
That's helpful. Okay. Well, awesome. Again, see, just think how much money you would make if I was paying a la carte for extra help.
Absolutely.
You'd like charge for every 15 minutes, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm going to suggest that